What's the meaning of curtain call? Curtain call. Curtain call.
Curtain call. Curtain call. A curtain call is a term used in theater to describe the short performance that happens at the end of a show, after the final bow. During a curtain call, the actors typically come back on stage to take their final bows and acknowledge the audience's applause. It is a way of signaling to the audience that the show has ended and showing appreciation for their support. Curtain calls can be brief or elaborate, but they always serve as a celebration of the performance that has just taken place.